De-dollarization refers to countries reducing reliance on the US dollar as a reserve currency, medium of exchange, or as a unit of account. Changes in international relations and geopolitical conflicts have also stimulated the de-dollarization process. The US has imposed severe financial and economic sanctions on Iran and Russia, restricting their use of US dollars. Iran, Russia, and other countries have embarked on the road of complete de-dollarization. De-dollarization will put an end to or considerably reduce the phenomenon of global inflation as witnessed during COVID-19 period. It is observed by many economic pundits that the US itself is interested in de-dollarization to reset the value of the dollar. The process of de-dollarization of global currency has begun. On the one hand, de-dollarization offers several potential benefits for developing countries. Moving away from the US dollar could reduce their vulnerability to fluctuations in US monetary policy and enhance their monetary autonomy, enabling them to better tailor policy actions to their domestic economic conditions. De-dollarization refers to reducing the dollar's dominance of global markets. It is a process of substituting US dollar as the currency used for trading oil and/or other commodities, buying US dollars for the forex reserves. Dollarization carries with it the risk of a loss of autonomy for a developing country that adopts it. When a country does not build and develop its own currency, it runs the risk of allowing its monetary policy controlled by a foreign country. Global use of the US dollar as a currency may decline further to 40 to 45% within the next 2 to 3 years. March 2023 brought an economic bloodbath in the United States. Thanks for watching. God Kuber bless you with fame and wealth.